Join us, my sweet, loving family. You'll enjoy.
Diana is finally getting her ear pierced. It's time! My baby is 6 months old and it's finally time for her to get her first ever piercing. Although we didn't want to do it earlier because she's preterm, and now we decided to okay, let's pierce her ear. So the nurse took measurements of where the earring is going to be, the exact spot without mistake, and now we are waiting for the nurse colleague to come because according to her she cannot pierce it alone, so the baby does not feel too much pain. So they are going to do it at the same time at the counting of 3, 2, 1, then they will pierce it. This is to avoid the baby to feel pain and start crying, so they will not be able to put the second earring, so hence they put it at the same time. She cried a little. You guys, I am so tired. I'm trying to edit my video. It's past 11 p.m. and I am not done. Content creation is not easy. Please, anytime you see my video notification, please watch my video. I go through a lot to bring this video to life, to edit, film and whatever, especially editing. Editing is very difficult. I need to play my motherly role, wifey duty, and then content. You guys, it's not easy. It's 4 minutes after 11 and I'm not done, and this video needs to go up tomorrow, which means I have to do everything today, like this night. I'm feeling sleepy. Please always watch my video. I beg you in the name of God. And put like. Okay, thank you. I just want to share with you guys that you know easy. You guys, the freedom going out without your kids to go do shopping will even make you buy things you have at home and you don't need. On this day, I went out alone without my children and I was just buying. Most of the things I bought, I don't even need them. Anyways, I stumbled on these cups. These cups are plastic, they are not broken cups, and it was on discount. You guys, look at it's so beautiful. I had to grab 2, and I also bought this water bottle for Diana because Diana have started drinking water. I also got hand soap because the last one we had, Jasmine threw it away and it broke. Everything inside just like phew. So I also went out to do some few grocery shopping for the house. I just got things excess. I wanted to just go grab few things, but I ended up packing the whole supermarket home. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday and we are going to the Nigeria embassy for Diana's NIN so we can process our international passports. I'm leaving the house by 7:30 and guess what? It's already 7:30 and I'm not even done. Now Diana is eating. You guys, I woke up very early for this, but these kids will always make me go to wherever I'm going late. Hopefully I get space to pack, but that's the major reason I'm leaving home on time. If not, I'm going to miss the train and take the next one. Hopefully I don't miss it. So I will see you guys later, probably when we get there or when I get home. It's about to really get messy for me. Oh, you guys, they are walking everywhere in Rome, so there's no bus. They said I should go and take the metro, and it's underground. You guys, with this stroller, how will I survive? So I'm looking for a lift. Before I will get to underground today, it will take like 30 to 40 minutes looking for a lift because the lift will be going up and down. People are everywhere in the train station.
Scusa? Meno uno per favore.
Uno.
Meno uno. Due pianote dove?
Nigeria.
Ah, mira, sono dal Perù.
Tu?
Sì, sono peruviano.
Ah, ok. You guys, I entered the wrong metro. I almost cried. I just changed now. That one I was filming from. I was telling myself, oh, I don't know how I did it to. I've entered the metro. I didn't know it's the wrong one. So I had to get down after to stop and enter the right one. So I just entered now. Hopefully, I get to where I'm going peacefully today. You guys, I'm going to drop my phone at this junction because I'm just few throw away from the Nigeria embassy, and as you can see, or as you all know, Rome Nigeria embassy does not accept phone. You can't take your phone inside. So I'm going to just drop my phone, and when I'm out, I'll talk to you guys.
As sweet as it is, living the life and sharing my life through my vlogs. Join us, my sweet loving family. You'll enjoy every beat of our life together. Family is everything progressive.
Hey guys, good morning. Can you guys see me? I'm about to start washing plates. Not plates, sorry. I'm about to start washing baby feeding bottles. You guys, you can see that I'm so tired, really tired. Yesterday when I came back from the embassy, I know I've not spoken to you guys since I got home. You guys did not even know if I got home or not because I did not drop updates. I'm going to do that later. I have an appointment for Diana today. See, I'm backing my madam. This girl is showing me premium shege. She's even sleeping right now. She's sleeping. She doesn't like to sit or sleep at my back, but I'm trying to teach her because it's really difficult for me to be carrying her up and down. She's just clinging. She likes attention. She likes me carrying her. So I want to wash. So you guys know this is what I use for Diana's bottle. Jasmine, go inside. You're not wearing clothes. Go inside. I think I've poured some before. I don't know, why am I confused this morning? The appointment I have for Diana is to see her doctor. It's been over a month since we last visited our doctor, so we'll be going there today. It's around 11 a.m. we have the appointment, and now it's 9:27 a.m. so I have limited time to do everything because I did not stand up from the bed early this morning. I was really weak, you guys. I was really weak. So the kids haven't had their baths. I've not even showered yet too. So I need to shower the kids, and then we'll go for our appointment. It's been raining cat and dog since I don't know what kind of summer we are experiencing this year. I am done. I am done washing the bottles. I used hot water, very hot water to sterilize it. So now I'll head over to beat the cakes. Diana is awake. Oh, hey. She did not even sleep for long. Just woke up. Yeah, Mama. You did not sleep for long. You guys, I recently started filming with my phone. In fact, I recently started using the new phone my husband got me. I kept this phone for almost 1 week or more than 1 week inside my wardrobe. My husband was like, baby, do you know that when they gift you something, you don't keep it, you use it? I was not giving him excuse like, oh, I don't have pouch on the phone, so I got a pouch and I started using it. I've been using it to film videos. You guys, the quality is superb. You guys, this is a major upgrade for me. The only thing I noticed is my microphone, I cannot use it on this phone because the tip of the charger is type C, and my microphone, the 3 microphone I have, they are for the normal iPhone. So this 16 Pro Max, I need to order another converter to convert it. Shh. So that's why I've not started using my microphone or will be editing with this phone, despite it has a large space capacity. So I'm still going to be using my other phone to do editing. But I really love this phone. So you guys, let me tell you what happened yesterday at the embassy. When I got to the embassy, I left the house very early. I think I left around 7:40. I left there at 7:40. Glory be to God, I got parking space very close to the train station, so it was easy for me to meet up with the train. I wanted to take bus. I entered metro. I already told you guys all that. And while I was coming back, I got to the embassy. Then they said they are not doing NIN for almost 2 months or more than. They gave me some explanation that the people that are in charge are this and that. You know, Nigerians matter now. Nothing lasts forever. If they bring new law, that law, they will stick to it before you know, everything will jabrata. So they were just giving excuses of why they are not doing NIN, meaning anybody that wants to do NIN now, it will be very difficult. So as it's Diana that wants to do the NIN, according to somebody I met, he said it will be easy for Diana to do NIN, but they will need to do it in Abuja, not here. So he sent me the form I'm going to fill on WhatsApp. Then after filling the form, I will send it to the person. They took picture of Diana, like half picture. Now they are going to send it to Abuja, blah blah blah. Like the story is very long. Then for the passport, they said it's 450 euro. Anyways, I've not gotten there yet. Now I'm still contemplating on whether to trust the process for the NIN or wait till after they resolve the whole issue, because I don't know when they are going to resolve it and I really need it. I need to do this NIN so that I can do passport for Diana, because without NIN there is no passport. So I don't know, this is very tiring. I just wasted my effort, my time, my sleep and everything, and stressed myself to go to the embassy yesterday to meet disappointment. So that was what happened. I was really disappointed and tired, so I couldn't even film while coming back. So as I was coming back now, I didn't want to like face the stress I faced while using the metro, because metro is underground. You need to like go down, and I'm carrying stroller and I'm with 2 children, so it's difficult for me. So I said, let me enter bus. It was impossible yesterday because some kids were outside, even some teenagers and some adults were just trekking everywhere in room, and it was disrupting the movement of bus. These Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, I don't know what they were doing anyways. And tourists was everywhere. You know, Rome is tourist area. So I was just trekking, looking for different bus that would take me to, like, even if it's close to the train station, then I can trek to the train station, until I finally saw one bus. The way I crossed with my children yesterday, I crossed bim 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 to go and enter the bus, because I've already made up my mind that since I did not see, but let me go and take the metro and just stress everything at once. But God so kind, I saw that bus. I stood for the whole 40 minutes. The bus was just going round and round and round. The next one make I fall yesterday. I was so tired. I was hungry. Anyways, I got home and I couldn't even pick my camera. That was how I just bathed. I boiled the corn I bought and I slept. So this morning now, I already spoke to you guys before now that I have appointment for Diana and it's around 11. So I want to start bathing the kids now. Jasmine has had her breakfast, but me, because of weight loss, that I've been skipping breakfast. See now, my bone don't they show before. Everywhere was. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.